Hello folks, welcome to another edition of the McCormick View. We're going to call this show the McCormick Review because what we're doing today, we're going to take a look at a product that we've had the opportunity to run through some tests, and we're going to give you our opinion about what we think of the XFINITY TV Go app, which is downloadable for both the iOS platform as well as the Android platform. So you can get it on the Apple iTunes Store or you can get it at Google Play. Now, the XFINITY TV Go app is an app that obviously loads on your smartphone, enables you to watch any programming that's available on the XFINITY Comcast cable network anywhere that you go on your smartphone as long as you have an internet connection. So if you notice the trends that are going on right now, a lot of people are watching TV in a mobile environment right now. You see people watching it on the train, you see people watching it in taxi cab, you see people watching it just while they're driving along the road while the other person is driving, hopefully. And that's a trend that's been growing for a number of years. I would dare say that Netflix probably was a pioneer in that trend when they began streaming movies and moving away from the DVD service. The big players out there now are Netflix, Amazon Prime Instant Video, and I would say probably Hulu. Now you can get apps and downloadable content from all of the major networks, NBC, CBS, Fox, CNN. Everybody makes their content available to you to download and to watch on your smartphone while you're there. The beauty of the XFINITY TV Go app is that it combines a lot of that content that's out there and it puts it all in one place that you can use on your smartphone. So you don't have to have 15 or 20 different apps for content that you want to watch. You can now get that content right on your smartphone with one app, which is what the XFINITY TV Go app does. Now, it's very easy to use. The setup is very intuitive and it's very simple. It's easily thumb driven. You can use your thumb pretty much to select and scroll through all the different choices. The content that's available on the XGo app is immense in the sense that you can search by alphabetical. If you just know the name of a show or a movie or whatever, you can search by alphabetical. Or you can search by network. If you know that something that you want to watch is on HBO, or you just want to explore what's on HBO, you can just search by HBO. You can also search by, or you could browse by network. You could browse by genre. You want to watch horror movies versus sports movies versus drama versus comedy. You can browse by network if you want to watch something on A&E, or if you want to watch a program on HD TV, which is one of my favorite networks. Flip or Flop is one of my favorite shows on HD TV. Or if you wanted to watch a different network like CNBC or ESPN, all of those are available on the XFINITY TV Go app. You can also browse by title rather. You can also browse by title. So if you just know the title of a movie, you just type that in and boom, it comes right up. That's the beauty of the TV Go app. Also, it allows you to download content. So you're watching a show or you see several episodes of a show that you like, you download those to your smartphone, provided that you have the space to hold that, and then you can watch them natively whenever you happen to be somewhere. And I don't believe that you would need a Wi-Fi connection to do that once you download the content. You just need to make sure that you have enough space to download that content. Some shows are bigger than others. But the thing that I really like about the TV Go app from XFINITY is that it puts everything in one place. It's easy. You can have, the TV Go app. You could have Hulu. You could have Netflix. You could have Amazon. And some people do have all of those. But all of the things that are available on the Comcast cable system, if you happen to be a Comcast customer, are now available directly in one place on your smartphone. And to me, that's a big convenience if you happen to be one of those people. Traditionally, with cable, you've watched it, you're sitting in front of the television on your couch in your favorite chair, and you're watching your cable shows that way, all 500 channels or however many channels that are available to you on your cable system. The XFINITY TV Go app brings pretty much all of that into your phone through the app, and that's a real convenience. Now, it's a great app. Like I say, it's very intuitively designed, easy to use, easy to navigate, and it has served very well in our test. We tested it on both Android platform as well as iOS platform. We tested on the iPhone 6 Plus, the iPhone 4, as well as an Android tablet. The iPad also works very well on that. No problems at all, no downloading problems, no loading of the app problems, no connection problems once we had the app up and running. So it seems to be a very solidly made app and intuitively designed, which is great. A couple things about the app that I would like to see made available is that that you should be able to beam what you're watching from the smartphone that you're watching onto a smart television or your smart television. As an example, let's say that you're watching some content in your car, somebody else is driving, you're watching content in your car using your cellular network. You get to your home, the show's almost over, you want to go inside the house and you want to finish watching the show on your big TV in your living room. Well, without the beaming capability, you got to go into the house, find the show on demand, find that episode, and then scroll that forward to the point where you were watching it in the car. Don't know how long that would take. That is somewhat of an inconvenience. With a beaming feature where you could come in, connect to your smart television, and beam that program, what you're watching on the TV Go app, beam that directly to your smart TV, pick up exactly where you left off, and then finish out the show. That would be great. That's a category, or that's a feature rather, that I would like to see them add to the TV Go app to make it even stronger than it is right now. The other thing that I think I would like to see more from the TV Go app is a deeper reservoir of content. There's a lot of networks, a lot of shows, a lot of categories that you can choose from. But with some of the categories that I picked, especially with television shows and certain networks, the content was somewhat spotty. You didn't get a full listing of all of the content. You got a few shows, not all of the shows. And I don't know if that's a content issue from the content provider. In my case, the example that I used was I was looking at the 60-minute sports that comes up on the Showtime network. There were only a few episodes of that available, and they weren't all available from first to last. So perhaps that's a problem on the Showtime side, not making all of their content available, and not necessarily a problem with the XFINITY TV Go app not being able to find the content. I suspect that it's more on the Showtime side. So that's a minor inconvenience. But overall, the app works really well, very intuitively designed, easy to use, easy to load, and it brings all of the content right into one spot. So you don't have to worry about juggling multiple apps or trying to remember if you saw it on ABC versus CBS versus HBO versus Showtime. You can just go to the TV Go app, search through the different categories until you find what you're looking for, watch it or download it, and then move on to the next thing that you're trying to find in your entertainment empire. So we hope that you'll go out and test the TV Go app for yourself. You do need to be a Comcast customer, XFINITY customer to be able to do that. But once you get it and you start using it, I think you'll be very happy with it. If they add the beaming feature to it, I think it makes it a very top-notch app. So why don't you try it out for yourself? You can get it on the iTunes Store as well as Google Play. That's the XFINITY TV Go app. That's our review from that here at the McCormick View, the McCormick Review. We'll see you next time when we will review something else. Who knows what it'll be. Until next time, please go out and make the world a better place than you found it. We'll see you then. Thanks. Take care.